Deep pink. Let's draw a magical unicorn. First, draw its head. Now add an oval muzzle. Great! Draw a smiling mouth. Draw a pair of ears for your unicorn. Black. Beautiful! And now draw a big sharp horn. Very good! And a neck. Terrific! Now draw its body, a big oval. Add a few fancy spots. Wonderful! Now draw 2 legs. And 2 more. Good job! Draw a cute tail for your unicorn. What a wonderful unicorn you've drawn!